Just filming the last bit, so we are.
I can't believe we're turning into a family vlogging channel.
Yeah, we are, because we are the best. Look at that. It looks amazing. This is our amazing gingerbread train. As you can see, we're very experts at... Oh, that one fell off. We're very... Tristan stuck one on without even having icing on it. Brilliant. Look. It's very... Look, this is what it's meant to look like. And this is what it actually looks like. I like my version better. I think our version looks much better than the box. What do you think, daughter?
Well, I think it's different interpretation. We'll call it surrealist.